Greetings and welcome to Busy Bee from Germany. Today we have a story that is sad and funny at the same time. Once upon a time there were two Ken dolls from 1961. They knew each other very well but hadn't met for a while. One of them had already been restored, the other one not. So the neglected Ken with the bald parts on his head asked how the other one got his hair back. The restored Ken told him that he found a wonderful hospital where he was helped. It didn't even hurt very much, but he was tickled by a brush on his head. The neglected Ken found that the hospital itself looked very unusual for a hospital. No beds, no nurses, just one doctor. The restored Ken told his body exactly how he was restored, in very great detail. Then the neglected Ken had an idea, what it is like being restored, and then he wanted to be restored himself. So he went to the hospital and was also restored. This is how it looked like. At first, a gigantic brush brushed his head with a colorful glue around the head. Ken was giggling, but he tried to be serious. He tried to avoid to smile, but inside he giggled. He didn't dare to say if this wet feeling on his head was good or not. The doctor made slight corrections with a needle where the excess color was and shouldn't be. Then a very big applicator left something on his head. Maybe a snowflake? No, not really, but it was his future hair. Afterwards he looked like a monkey. The hair stuff was everywhere, not only on his head. Then he was suddenly left alone for several hours. Without a word, the doctor left and came back in the darkness. The neglected Ken was a bit afraid at first. Then the doctor came back with another big brush and freed him of the excess hair that was on his head but not glued on. He was brushed from head to toe. After the procedure, he got a big mirror from the doctor to see what he now looked like. Suddenly his body was also in the hospital and admired him and his new hair. Now I am handsome again. Thanks for watching. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I am always open for donations. Thanks.